Hello once again and welcome to Basic Computer Operation video number 3. Today we'll be demonstrating how to create a Google Gmail account. We're featuring a Gmail account as it works well across multiple platforms from Windows to Android to Apple devices. Ideally, any email provider will mirror the process that we will be demonstrating today, and that includes Outlook from Microsoft, Yahoo Mail, AOL, iCloud, and so on. Creating an email account is actually very simple. To get started, open your internet browser. Mine is Google Chrome. If you have Outlook, Edge, Safari for Apple devices, or a different internet browser, go ahead and click to open. In the address bar, type in www.google.com. For Android users, the Google Search app is already on your device. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see a Gmail icon. Click on that to open. Scroll down to the icon entitled Create an Account and click that to open. Two options will appear: For Myself and Manage My Business. I have a Gmail account for myself, but I could use one for my business, so I'm going to choose this option. This is going to be an actual working account, so I need to input all the required information. I'll input a username and the email address I would like to use. Since Gmail has been available for many years, I may choose an address that's already been taken. At that point, I'll have to think of something different and maybe a few others until the email address is accepted. In this case, mine has been accepted, so I'm good to go. And now for the password. Try and think of one that is unique to you or about you. For security purposes, most providers require at least 8 characters, which include letters with 1 being capitalized, some numbers, and 1 special symbol, exclamation point, percentage or $, and so on. Google will want to confirm the password, so make sure you type exactly like before. Don't change a thing. Also, to make the process easier, click the eyeball right here and the characters will become visible. Email providers are using mobile phones as a means to unlock an account. For example, let's say I did forget my password. How this works: Gmail will send a text with a 6-digit verification code to my phone to make sure I'm the owner of the account. I'll type the code in. That will unlock my account. Then I'll have to reset my password or think of a new one. It is very important to add a mobile phone number for this purpose. If you don't have a mobile phone or are uncomfortable using this method, an alternate email address can also be used. It has to be one that is different from this email address, but the process is relatively the same. The email provider will mail the verification code to unlock the account. The next item is your birthday, and no, I'm not divulging how old I am. The reasons Google asks for this information are for analytical and marketing purposes, plus a person must be at least 13 years of age to open a Gmail account. Google and email providers will ask for a gender, and again the reason is for analytical and marketing purposes. They want to know the who, when, what, where, and how, which is also a good description of the internet in general. As you can see, there are options to this, and I think for this account, I'd rather not say. The next screen is the Privacy and Terms Agreement, and if you are so inclined, it's great reading, or just scroll down and click I agree. And that leads to the welcome screen, and incidentally, the account is now set up, and you've just received the first email, a welcome message from Google. At this point, it's learning where things are and how to use them. To the right, you'll see Compose, and that's where to type or compose messages for sending. The inbox are messages you have received, and so on. Middle of the page, Google has sent different options for Google services, none of which you have to take. Ideally, the only way to learn your new account is to jump in and use it. send messages, have folks email you back, and so forth. In the next video demonstration, we will go over all these symbols and what they do. But this video is already too long and I need to give you a break. For now, concentrate on composing and sending messages, opening and reading messages from your inbox, and that would be a great start. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again in our next video demonstration.